Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen special for Toyota Land Cruiser Prado 122 to 29 years. Okay, let me unbox review. Open the box. You can check head unit with good condition. This is the head unit, special harness and compass box. Okay, let me introduce the harness set first. Okay, you can check this special harness and compass box. This connect to our back head unit, and this compass box okay, this radio antenna, this original camera adapter, and this for steering wheel control, this speaker and power Prado. Okay, and the other one you can check this AMP 12 voltage. This reserve detect wire 12 voltage, and this reserve input wire. This wire is breaking, do not need to connect. This wire do not need to connect. Okay. It will come with GPS antenna, this GPS antenna, and this camera in cable, okay, and this AUX cable, AUX input left and right, and this video input, okay, this audio cable, this subwoofer, this video out 1 and video out 2, this audio out left and right, front and rear. Okay. Let me show head unit. Okay, you can check this head unit. And this side, and this back, you can check there 2 USB cable and external microphone. This audio cable connect DSP and other connection. This Wi-Fi, this fuse, and the power, this GPS. Okay. You can check the front. This microphone, built-in microphone IST, this power and the other button. Okay. Let me power 12 voltage. The head unit will be started. Okay, start here. Okay, you can check this front panel. Okay, the unit 9-inch. Okay, you can adjust the brightness. Okay, this buttons on the left built-in microphone and reset hole. This date and time. Update by GPS and Wi-Fi. This radio. Search the radio button to get the many radio stations. Okay. And all apps are here. You can check very fast response. Okay. Let me show the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. About motion, you can check the MCU volume, CPU octa-core, RAM 4GB, it's PX5, Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me check the storage. You can check total 64 GB. 64 GB, okay. And it's built-in DSP amplifier. Back button, volume, sound field. The EQ, classic, pop, and support. You can adjust this panel, balance. Okay, this DSP, and it's built-in easy connection for mirror link. Please connect your phone. Use settings. It's built in Google Maps and built-in Play Store. You can download applications from Play Store, built-in YouTube. This is vehicle information. Okay. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Please visit our website belsee.com, Belsee.com. Okay, thank you.